Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the travel-sized Lancome Advanced Génifique Youth Activating Serum. And the travel size is, let's see, how many ounces? It's 0.27 ounces each. I have bought a full size of this. I just had the travel size laying around and grabbed that first. So a little bit about this product. Well, let's go about the brand a little bit. Lancome epitomizes the French touch with feminine, effortless, Parisian chic beauty. With luxurious textures, cutting-edge ingredients, high-potency pigments, and sensual fragrances that everyone can feel unique, empowered, and chic. I've been using Lancome since I was 17. And not to give away my age, but that's been 20 years. I actually asked at 17 a girl at the Lancome Paris counter, when should I start wearing under eye cream? And she said, now. And I'm a proud 37-year-old who does not have any under eye creases, lines, anything like that, because I prevented instead of trying to reverse. It's always better to prevent than to reverse. So a little detail about this. This is basically good for all skin tones, normal, oily, combination, dry, sensitive. It's a fast-acting anti-aging serum that reveals smoother, more radiant skin as in few as 7 days. It's a solution for fine lines and wrinkles and dullness and uneven texture. No regimen is complete without the Advanced Génifique, the first step to every beauty routine. The powerful anti-aging serum works to improve skin's key signs of youth: radiance, elasticity, firmness, skin tone, and smoothness. You can see results in as few as 7 days. Patented formula which contains a Bifidus extract helps strengthen and protect the moisture barrier. The bottle itself is self-loading dropper for the perfect dosage with every application. What it is formulated without: parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. That's the one I always have the hardest time saying. Basically, this was developed over 14 years of research, and they came up with 197 formulation trials developing this. And just a little bit more info. Clinical results after 8 weeks on 34 women show an improvement on the following attributes. 52% saw radiance, 57% saw texture, 49% saw resiliency, 50% saw elasticity, 49% saw firmness, 46% saw a reduction in sagginess, 42% saw a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, 7% saw a reduction or clarity, and 42% saw a more even skin tone. It's a highly rated product online. People really love this product. I love it. It's a little expensive, but it's worth it. I'm going to swatch it on my hand for you. So it comes with a loaded dropper that gives you just enough, because you really don't need much with, especially Lancome products. You don't need much, and they are expensive, but they last. So that's the one thing to keep in mind. If you're like, oh, $65 for eye cream, well, it's going to last you 8 months. So if you think about it like that, you know, it's not that bad. And this has a nice smell to it. Just basically says for all skin types, for optimal results, use in the morning and the PM after your regular skincare routine. It's dermatologically tested. Like I said, this is just the travel size because I can't find my big one at the moment. It's hiding somewhere in the bathroom. But it makes your skin feel nice and smooth. Just this little piece of skin on my hand feels nice and refreshed. So yeah, get out there, try the Advanced Génifique. Can't hurt you. I really don't see, the only thing it might be hurting is your wallet. I say give it a try. You know, like I always say, give it a try. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.